Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy and interesting recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily for idli and dosa or for chapati or even for rice. So for today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Amla Chutney, which is very good for our immune system. So I thought I can share. So I took some amla and here I have some fresh coriander leaves and here I have some fresh chopped onion and I took one tomato and some green chilies. How much spice you want in your chutney. So let's start the recipe. So take a kadai. So I took iron kadai, which is very good for our health, and in this I added 1 to 2 tablespoon of oil. The first thing I'm adding is the cumin seeds, which gives a nice flavor in this chutney, and some black peppercorn. And in this I'm adding little bit of black peppercorn. And I'm going to add all the things together. The first thing I'm going to add is the onion. So here I'm adding the onion. So I took one onion, guys. And this chutney you can prepare under 5 minutes. This is very easy and very good for our health also. And I'm going to add the green chilies. And here I am adding the fresh tomatoes. So everything we have to add together. And first I am going to fry these things. Nice aroma, guys. And seriously, this chutney is very good for our health. So I thought I can share this chutney with you. So in this chutney, if you want to add the garlic, you can add garlic. It gives a nice flavor. But today I am not going to add any garlic. So after 2 to 3 minutes of frying this one, I am going to add the fresh coriander leaves. So here I am adding the fresh coriander leaves into this. So after adding the fresh coriander leaves, I am going to add this amla. And we have to fry all these things. And in this I am going to add some salt as per your taste. How much salt you want in your amla chutney. So I added the salt as per our taste. How much salt we want in our chutney. And I'm going to mix all these things together. So we have to fry for 1 to 2 minutes. That's all. Then we have to grind it in the blender. And this chutney you can keep it for 3 to 4 weeks. So after 1 to 2 minutes, I switch off the flame. And when it becomes cooled down, I will grind it in the blender as a coarse paste, not as a smooth paste. So yeah. So I grind this chutney as a coarse paste, and my amla chutney is ready. And I put it in the plate. And I'm going to put this one in the container. As I said, we can store this one for more than 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah. So just now I tasted this chutney, guys. This is a little bit spicy and tangy because the amla is tangy. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make amla chutney for idli and dosa at your home. And this is very good for our immune system also. So see you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.